Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be downloading VMware Workstation 16 Player for Windows. VMware Player can be downloaded by clicking on the blue banner at the bottom left of the screen. After the file has been downloaded, go into your download folder. Locate the VMware Player file. Double click on it to start the installation process. At the Player Setup pop-up window, click Next. Check to accept the end-user license agreement. Check to install the enhanced keyboard driver. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. And finally click Finish. This completes the installation.